Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now by breaking the stale bread into 2 3 cm pieces and grating 5100 g of hard cheese. Once done, pulse bread in a food processor to coarse crumbs. Don't overprocess. Large crumbs toast better. Make sure to add the grated cheese after the first pulse so it distributes without turning to paste. Immediately spread the coarse breadcrumb cheese mix in a single layer on the prepared tray. This encourages even drying and prevents clumping when baking. You now refine texture and seasoning. Gently drizzle 1-2 tsp olive oil and sprinkle 1/2 tsp salt, then pulse 2-4 short bursts so crumbs become sand to pea-sized. This helps cheese bind without greasiness. Once done, spread the mixture thinly and rotate the tray after 8-10 minutes to ensure uniform color. Make sure to watch closely. The cheese browns faster than bread. If you want crunchier crumbs, bake a bit longer at the same temp rather than raising heat. You finish by baking for 15-25 minutes at 120 degrees C, stirring every 8-10 minutes so cheese browns evenly. Once done, cool completely on the tray. Cooling firms the crumbs and prevents steam sogginess. Transfer to an airtight jar when room temperature. If things go wrong, for soggy crumbs, immediately spread them back on the tray and dry for 5-10 more minutes. Make sure to lower added oil next batch. That single tweak solves most texture issues and preserves flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.